Today's word of the day is hindsight. Hindsight. So what's hindsight? It's the ability to understand something only after it has happened. I mean, we can't predict the future and we can't predict what's going to happen, but sometimes we can look back at what happened with hindsight. So let's have a look at an example. In hindsight, it was a great idea. It's easy to look back and think, oh, I had a great idea. But maybe in the moment, you don't know. You look back and say, wow, in hindsight, it was a great idea. Second example. Looking back in hindsight, it was one of the happiest moments in my life. It's good to look back at something positive and appreciate it as a happy moment. Third example. With the benefit of hindsight, I can say I made a mistake. Maybe it's not so fun to admit mistakes, but sometimes we need to accept that looking back, maybe we didn't do the right thing. Now it's your turn. Can you finish these sentences? 1. In hindsight, I made the right choice. 2. With the benefit of hindsight, I could have prepared myself for. 3. Hindsight is useless if. Hi, I'm Audrey, and I want to help you create an English daily habit and communicate with the world. Why don't you join me?